Welcome to the season 1 recap of Who Killed Sarah. A group of friends are drinking alcohol and having fun while cruising along the lake on an early afternoon. Sarah Guzman shows herself having fun with her brother Alex Guzman and her boyfriend Rodolfo. One of the friends on the boat suggests that Sarah paraglide above the lake, which leads to her death. They try to get Sarah to the hospital in an attempt to save her life. As Alex Guzman begins to unfold, he starts to blame Rodolfo for his actions on the boat. Cesar Lascano begins to persuade Alex to explain to the courts that it was an accident, but doesn't realize that it will lead to a 30-year prison sentence. 18 years after Alex Guzman's imprisonment, when he is released from jail, and his ultimate revenge plot against the Lascano family begins. After the incident that happened at the casino, Cesar Lascano's decision whether or not to pursue taking down Alex causes problems immediately. Caesar instructed his guards to shoot out the house. As Alisa follows Rodolfo to the house where Alex lives, two SUVs follow right after and begin to shoot the house. After the incident, Elisa enters the house only to find Alex on the floor bleeding. Alex gets a flashback where he is at a party with his sister Sarah and their friends. During the party, Sarah sees Kima hugging Alex, hinting that Sarah may know that Kima is gay. It then cuts back to the present day where Elisa is at Alex's house and they are drinking. While Alex is distracted, Elisa looks around the house for clues. She sees that he hacked her mother's phone to see and hear whatever is going on. The scene quickly changes to Caesar at his casino. He begins walking to a lower part of the casino where it turns out that there is a brothel hidden. Elisa goes to her mother's house and takes her mother's phone without her knowing and puts it in a vase filled with water. The scene changes to Bruno in school. While he is in class, everyone including him receive a photo of his family with murderers written on top of it. While Alex is at home, he receives another text from the person known as Diana the Huntress saying that Rodolfo is not the killer. Alex asks for proof, who replies that they were there and also sent a picture of a rusted knife, the same knife that Alex gave Kima 18 years ago. While Mariana is at home, she receives a package that has Kima's knife, the knife that she threw in the water 18 years ago. Alex finds Kima and chases him down and demands that he give him the tapes that he recorded 18 years ago while Sarah died. A flashback 18 years ago, Alex visits his mom who is sick and explains that he is going to prison but only for a short time and that she will get better. When he gets to court, they find him guilty of murder and he finds out that Caesar lied to him. Rodolfo comes and visits Alex to tell him to leave his stepson Bruno out of this, thinking that Alex was the one who sent the photo, but it seems that Alex had no idea about the photo. The scene cuts to Kima at his house grabbing all the tapes and burning them. Rodolfo goes to the casino and heads to the sauna before work. When Elisa gets to Alex's house, he confronts her saying that he knows she is the daughter of Caesar. Alex says to gain his trust, she needs to get him a meeting with her dad's accountant. Just as Rodolfo was about to pass out, Elroy opens the door and takes Rodolfo out of the sauna. Elisa was able to get the accountant to meet with Alex. Just as they were about to meet up, someone runs over and kills the accountant before Alex can talk to him. We find out that the person driving the car is Elroy. In a flashback, young Alex wakes up in a prison hospital bed after being beat up by other prisoners. Another prisoner is by his side and states he will be his fairy godmother. Young Alex asks his lawyer why he is still in prison and that he needs to go back to his mother. The lawyer regretfully informs Alex that his mother has passed away. In the present day, Alex is photocopying Sarah's diary and sends Elroy a note with Sarah's handwriting. Kima and Lorenzo ask Clara if she is interested in becoming their surrogate mother. Clara excitedly accepts. At the club, Elroy struggles with the fact that he killed the accountant and his hallucinations of Sarah. Mariana threatens Elroy at the casino after finding out that he told Elisa about Sarah's death. That night, Alex and Elisa arrive at the casino party and break into Caesar's office to copy his computer files. Bruno looks for Imara and goes to the casino basement. At the casino party, the lights turn off and images of Caesar hunting endangered animals are projected in front of his guests. Suddenly, Elroy shows up with a gun and points it at Caesar, but then he turns the weapon at himself and shoots. In two different flashbacks, Elroy sees Sarah having sex with Rodolfo and Caesar. In a different flashback, Elroy leaves his alcoholic father in a burning house and ends up at the orphanage where he meets Mariana. In the present, the Lascano family is at the casino for a party. Elroy goes to his office to get a gun and overhears Alex and Elisa in Caesar's office. He plans to shoot Alex but is stopped as he has a hallucination of Sarah calling him a coward. Bruno finds Imara in the casino basement but she is unresponsive. Sergio encounters Alex and immediately calls security. Back in the party, Caesar is trying to stop the media from recording or taking pictures of the projected pictures of his hunting trophies. Elroy shows up with the gun and points it to himself. A gunshot goes off as Elroy gets shot by the security guard. In a flashback, Elroy as a child crashes into a ladder that kills his mother. Alex and Caesar see each other and the chase begins as Alex runs to the brothel entrance with Caesar right behind him. Alex comes running out the back door and Kima and Rodolfo tell him that they are there to help him. They hurry into the van and escape to the lake house where Sarah died. Caesar and his security team arrive at Alex's home and start shooting the places, destroying his equipment. Rodolfo, Elisa, Kima and Alex are at the lake house. Back at the casino, Sergio mentions that Alex must have taken confidential information and suggests that Caesar make a compromise with him. Mariana visits Elroy at the hospital. In a flashback, the prisoner who said he was Alex's fairy godmother shows him a picture of his daughter and explains how Lascano killed her. Sergio goes to the basement and physically abuses Imara and records it. Kima arrives at the lobby of the laboratory and asks Lorenzo for forgiveness. Rodolfo sees Bruno at the casino and asks what he's doing there. Bruno ignores him and continues making his way to the basement. Rodolfo follows him and is shocked to see that it's a brothel. Clara confronts Kima that Sofia is having an affair with Caesar. In flashbacks, Sarah tells Caesar that she is pregnant and she discovers a disturbing secret about Sergio. Josh, Maria and Lorenzo take the next step in the process of fertilization. Elisa goes to the hospital to find out what Elroy knows about Flor. In another flashback, Sarah tells Rodolfo that she is pregnant, and Sofia tells Caesar that she is pregnant. Rodolfo confronts Caesar about the casino basement. Moncho comes back to Clara's life. Lorenzo and Josh Maria announce that they are going to have a baby, which leads to a family argument. Sergio tries to persuade Alex into joining forces to take down Caesar. In a dream, Elisa remembers a disturbing memory. Bruno goes to the casino's basement to look for Imara. Clara continues the in vitro fertilization process with Josh Maria and Lorenzo. Moncho follows Lorenzo and threatens him at work. Rodolfo and Alex meet to discuss Sarah's death and Alex lets Rodolfo stay with him. A casino worker approaches Elisa about Imara's death. Elisa confronts Alex about the secrets she's keeping from him. Marifa, Sarah's best friend, gives Alex a video Sarah left. In a flashback, Elroy tells Mariana that Sarah is pregnant but the baby isn't Rodolfo's. Alex, Marifer, Rodolfo and Elisa watch the video Sarah left. Elisa goes to the hospital to visit Elroy and ask him what he knows about the deaths of Flor and Imara. The identity of Diana Casadora is revealed. Rodolfo kicks Sofia out of the house and reveals a secret. Elisa confronts Caesar about the casino basement and Sarah's death. In another flashback, the events surrounding Sarah's death start to come together. Alex finds a clue that changes everything and finds an even darker clue in his own backyard. Thank you for watching the recap. Please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more recaps like this.